Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Open your Chatgpt account settings, then navigate to Security to begin. Make sure your email is verified and an authenticator app is installed on your phone. This app will generate codes. Once done, select Multi-Factor Authentication and choose Authenticator app. You're not finishing setup yet, just connecting the app and account so you can scan the QR code in the next steps. Now perform the core pairing and verification. Use the Authenticator app to scan the QR code displayed in ChatGPT's MFA setup. If scanning fails, manually enter the secret key. The app generates a 6-digit code that you must type back into the website. This confirms the link. After verification, ChatGPT will offer recovery codes. Download or copy them to a secure place, and optionally add a phone number as fallback. These steps ensure you can regain access if you lose the device. Finish by testing your new protection. Sign out and sign back in to prompt the MFA challenge, then enter the authenticator code. Make sure recovery codes are stored offline and that you transfer or reconfigure the authenticator app before switching phones. If something goes wrong, don't panic. First, use a saved recovery code to regain access. If you don't have one, contact support and be ready to verify identity. This is why saving recovery codes and phone fallback matters. Prevention beats recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.